Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been hearing all the hype about AI making money online, but you're not sure what actually works, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down 7 AI side hustles that are realmente paying people in 2026. Not theory, not hype. Actual opportunities you can start even if you're a beginner. And stick around till the end, because 107 is probably the easiest one to start today. 1. AI content creation for businesses. Businesses are desperate for content, blogs, social posts, emails. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to write blog posts, create Instagram captions, generate email campaigns. People are charging $500 to $2,000 per month per client. Start by offering services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 2. AI graphic design. No design skills needed. With AI tools like Midjourney or Canva AI, you can create logos, thumbnails, social media graphics. You don't need to be a designer anymore. Many freelancers are making $1,000 plus per month just selling simple designs. YouTube automation with AI. This is huge right now. You can generate scripts with AI, use AI voiceovers, create videos without showing your face. Think finance videos, facts channels, motivation content. Channels are earning from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. 4. Selling AI-generated ebooks. You can create short ebooks using AI in niches like fitness, personal finance, self-improvement. Then sell them on Amazon Kindle Gumroad. Even a simple ebook can generate passive income over time. 5. AI prompt engineering consulting. Businesses don't know how to use AI properly. If you learn how to write better prompts, automate workflows, you can offer consulting services. Some people charge $50 to $150 per hour. 6. AI dropshipping store. Use AI to generate product descriptions, create ad copy, build product pages. Combine that with Shopify plus TikTok ads, this can scale into a full-time business if done right. 7. Selling AI services to local businesses. Easiest. This is the easiest one to start. Local businesses need Google reviews, reply social media posts, chatbots. You can walk into a local business or email them and say, "Hey, I can automate your customer responses and save you time." Charge $200 to $1,000 per month per client. Even 5 clients equals solid income. So yeah, AI isn't replacing people, it's creating opportunities. The key is simple. Don't just consume AI, use it to make money. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real ways to make money online, and let me know in the comments which side hustle you're going to try first. See you in the next one.